So we're going to remove the interior door card. To do that, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead, or a plastic prying tool. Start off by removing this Phillips head screw. Now get the next one that's in the little handle. Once that's removed, you can pull the whole thing out. Next, we've got a couple of these. They look like Phillips heads, but they're only little clips, so just undo them a little bit of the way and they should pop out just like that. And then you should be able to just pull them out. Same with this one. Try not to put any pressure when you're turning it, so that way it pops out easily. Then we've got one more of those clips on the outside. So pull it out slightly, then you can just pull the rest of the way. Next, from underneath, just put your trim tool or screwdriver just underneath, just to get a little bit of space, and then get your fingers under there and then just pull it away from the door. And once you've done that, just go around the rest of it and just pull it apart. If you've got wing mirrors that you need to adjust manually, then you're going to take this off just by pulling it out like that, and that will come out. Then just tilt it that way and pull it up. Then on the inside we have a plug for the window switch, so just press this button in here and then pull it away. So to reinstall the door card, lift the door card up and bring the wire to the connector here, then just push that in. So just do a little click, then hook it over the handle. Make sure it sits in position, and once it's sat in position, and you know that it's all lined up, so the holes are lined up, and there you can see it's lined up, all of these are lined up, so you know it's in the right position. Then you can just start pushing it in, you can start hearing the clips go back in. So you can get your clips and then just push it back in. You can take the top bit out completely if it makes it easier for you. Push that in, and then all you have got to do is push that in just like that. Then put your handle in, just line it up so it goes flush, and then put your screw in, and then start doing it up. Then get your cover, push it in from the bottom so this hooks in, then just pop that in. And that's it.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.